Magic Dream by Sybile, we start the special treatment with old gold crystals that are used to fill in some of the stars, some of the butterflies, and also some of the areas that on the painting would be a copper or a brass or a gold color. Version 2 for Magic Dream by Sybile adds flower gems in pink and white, and you can choose to place these on random areas on the canvas, or you can actually refer to Sybile original painting and see the areas where she has pink flowers and place the gems on those specific spots. Some of them are white in the background, and some of them on the bottom are the pink flower gems. We also added some hearts. There are different colored hearts. There are the clear hearts and also the rainbow hearts that you can place in the same fashion, whether you'd like to place it in random areas that you'd like to highlight on your canvas, or you would like to actually follow Sybile original design. You can simply refer to her picture. Magic Dream by Sybile version 3, we now add star gems that we place either strategically on the canvas that will mimic Sybile original design for this painting, or you can choose to place it in areas that you would like to hide your your Magic Dream diamond painting. So you'll be given ample stars to give enough highlight and enough of the effect of this magical image, hence Magic Dream.